So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to share your referral code on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app is opened up, it doesn't matter which page you go to. In the top right, there's going to be that present or that gift icon. That's what you want to press. Once you're on the rewards page right here at the top, it says refer a friend, get $30. That's what you're looking for. Go ahead and select that. This is going to bring up your referral code right here. So if you wanted to go ahead and copy this or press the share button, you're able to email it, copy it, send it to people, on text, whatever the case may be. That's your referral code. And if you want to share that with people, go ahead, copy that, share with people. Basically where it says at the top, you refer and earn, you and your friend will each get a reward when they sign up, get verified, and spend $20 or more with their KOHO accounts. And if you scroll down a little bit here, it says $30 cash, paid within 7 days when friends get verified and spend $20 or more with their KOHO accounts. They'll get 3 months free of KOHO everything. And if you want to read the terms and conditions or the frequently asked questions, they are also here. But basically, yeah, that's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can share your referral code with people on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.